Hello students, today we are going to start the new chapters exponents and powers. Already this chapter is introduction is there in 7th class when we have used that powers form and exponential form. When they are giving the largest numbers multiplying itself more times, we are writing briefly by using the power that is called a power form. See, suppose 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Here 2 is multiplied by itself 4 times. This is called expanded form. We are writing exponential form or power form. 2 is multiplying 4 times. 2 is the base. How many times that is multiplying, that we have to write as a power. So 2 is multiplied here 4 times. So the power will become a 4. The number which is multiplying itself, that is called a base. So here 2 is multiplied itself 4 times, that we are writing 2 raised to the power of 4, or we can write this 2 to the power of 4. In this 2 is called a base, 4 is representing power. In case the A is multiplying itself n times, A into A, so and so it is multiplying itself, then this we are writing A to the power of n. In this A is called the base, n is will become a power. So A into so and so n time, this is the exponential form, expanded form. A to the power of n is the power form or exponential form. A will become a base, n is called the power. Okay. Now in this the important topic is laws of exponents and how to write expanded form and standard form by using the laws. See, there are 8 laws of exponents. The first one is a to the power of m is to a to the power of n is equal a to the power of m plus n. This is the first law of exponents. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal a to the power of m plus n. Observe this law. In this LHS, on LHS side 2 bases are same. 2 bases are same, then powers are different. When the 2 bases are same, powers are different, just we have to add the powers. That is called a first law of exponents. In case they are given more than 2 bases, also just we have to add that powers. See this example, x to the power of 5, x to the power of 6. The value of x to the power of 5 into x to the power of 6 equal x to the power of 5 plus 6 is equal x to the power of 11. In this also bases are same, just we added the powers by using this first law. In case 4 cube, 4 to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 5. Here also 3 bases are same, just add the powers. 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal 4 to the power of 14. In this situation, we have to use that first law. When they are giving all the bases are same, the powers are different, just we have to add the powers. The second is a to the power of m whole to the power of n. Here they are given 2 powers. A to the power of m whole to the power of n. When they are giving 2 powers, the 2 powers will become multiply with each other. See, x to the power of 5 into x to the power of 5 whole to the power of 2. X to the power of 5 into 2 is equal x to the power of 10. When they are giving with a common base, the 2 powers, just we have to multiply 2 powers, then we will get the answer by using the second law of exponents. Third one is quotient law. a by b to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m by b to the power of m. Here numerator is there, denominator is there, only one power is there. This power is belongs to numerator and denominator. It's mean x by y to the power of 5. We can write x to the power of 5 by y to the power of 5. Fourth is a to the power of m by a to the power of n. M is greater than n. The condition is m is greater than n. M is greater than n means the numerator power will be, the numerator power is more than the denominator power. Just we have to subtract the denominator power from the numerator power. That is a to the power of m minus n. Y to the power of 8, y to the power of 6. Y is the common base, powers are 8 and 6. Numerator power is more than denominator power, so y to the power of 8 minus 6 is equal to y square. Then the fifth one, so one more is there here, and m is less than n. It means numerator power is less than the denominator power. The answer will become a 1 by a to the power of n minus n. See, x to the power of 4 by x to the power of 6. Here 4 is less than 6. Then we can write 1 by x to the power of 6 minus 4 is equal 1 by x square. The last sixth one is a by b whole to the power of minus m, that is equal b by a whole to the power of m. This means the power is in the form of negative. The power is in the form of negative. The base is given as a fraction form. Just we have to interchange the numerator and denominator. The power sign will become a change here. So a by b to the power of minus m is equal b by a to the power of plus m. It means x by y to the power of minus 5 is equal to y by x to the power of plus 5. The seventh one is a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Here the power is 0 is equal to 1 with any base. That answer is equal to, the value is equal to 1. See the example, x to the power of 0 equal to 1, y to the power of 0 equal to 1, and 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. It means the power 0 with any base, the value is equal to 1. Then eighth one is a to the power of minus n is equal 1 by a to the power of plus n, or 1 by a to the power of plus n is equal to a to the power of minus n. See, when we have to use this law, when we are going to change the negative sign for the power, just we have to use this law. X to the power of minus 5, then we can write 1 by x to the power of plus 5, or 1 by y to the power of 6, we can write y to the power of minus 6. It means when we are changing that power sign, we have to write numerator into denominator, the numerator to the denominator to the numerator. So these are the 8 laws of exponents. First one is the two bases are same, just we are adding the powers. Second is with the common base, two powers are given, the two powers will multiply each other. The third one is quotient law, one base is in the form of fraction with one power, that power is belongs to the numerator and denominator. Then fourth one is a to the power of m by a to the power of n. Here numerator power is greater than denominator power. Just we have to subtract numerator power from the denominator power from the numerator power. Then it's reverse. Numerator power is less than denominator. Just we have to subtract the numerator power from denominator power. Seventh one is with the base fraction, the power is in the form of negative. Just we have to interchange the numerator and denominator, the sign of power of sign will become changed. When the power is 0 with any base, that value is equal to 1. When the power is with a negative sign, we have to change into positive, just you write multiplicative inverse. Okay, these are the laws of exponents. I will give the work according to the laws of exponents. Then you have to listen this class, the class properly and do that homework which I am giving by tomorrow.